Now I'm going to add some memory to my computer. As you can see there, I've got 3 memory sticks. I got a 1 gig and 2 half gigs, which gives me 2 gig of memory. What I'm now going to do, I bought by there 2 gig sticks. I'm gonna put them in and put the 2 half gigs in, which will give me 5 gig of memory. Take your memory out. So all you need to do is push these white clips down like so on each stick on either side, and just pull the memory sticks out like so. There you have my 2 512 megabyte sticks on the 1 gig stick that I've just taken out. It's always better to put a pair of sticks in. That's why I'm sticking in the 2 512s back in instead of sticking the 1 gig in. So now I'm going to get my 2 gig sticks and put them in first, needing the processor in the yellow slots. There's my 2 new memory sticks in now. I'm going to stick in the 2 512s. I'm putting the sticks in, they'll only go in one way. As you can see, there's a gap in the middle there, and you also have a gap, a block in the middle by there. Make sure it's lined up, otherwise it won't go in. Make sure it's the right way round. Slot down the slot, then when you push down, on it, pad, the white clips will pop back up like so and secure it in place. The last one going in now. Line it up, both sides, push down, and as you can see, both clips have popped up. That's my new memory and old memory inserted into the computer. Easy.